At this very moment, in hidden labs, university research centers, and startup garages around the world, new inventions are being built that are so revolutionary, so transformative, they will redefine what it means to be human. Imagine clean energy so abundant that electricity becomes practically free. Imagine diseases being cured before symptoms even appear. Imagine traveling 600 miles in under an hour, or talking to someone across the world as a hologram standing right in your living room. These aren't sci-fi fantasies. These are real inventions, already being developed, and they will soon change the world forever. Some are in beta testing, others are waiting for final funding. A few are already being used in select industries. Today, we're diving into 15 future inventions that will shape the next century of human evolution. And invention number 1 may go down as the most important breakthrough in human history. Welcome back to Innovate Tech, the channel where we explore the innovations, breakthroughs, and emerging technologies shaping our future. If you love futuristic tech, next-gen science, and deep dives into the world of tomorrow, take a moment to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Now, Marizana, let's explore the 15 inventions that will transform the world faster than anyone expects. 15 future inventions that will change humanity. 1. Quantum Internet, the unhackable network of the future. The internet as we know it is built on electricity, wires, and signals. But the next generation internet, the quantum internet, will be built on the laws of quantum physics. Using quantum particles like photons, data can be transmitted instantly and securely. Why does this matter? Because quantum communication cannot be intercepted or hacked. If someone tries to eavesdrop on a quantum signal, the data itself changes, making intrusion impossible. China and the United States are already testing quantum satellite networks. Once this rolls out worldwide, everything from banking, healthcare, government communication, defense systems, and personal messaging will become virtually unbreakable. The quantum internet will create the most secure digital world humanity has ever known. 2. Fusion power, unlimited clean energy. If there is one invention that could solve climate change, energy shortages, and global pollution all at once, it's fusion energy. Fusion is the same reaction that powers the sun. Scientists have already achieved fusion ignition in labs, meaning the technology is no longer theoretical. In December 2022, scientists at the National Ignition Facility achieved net energy gain from fusion for the first time in history. This was a turning point. Once commercial fusion reactors become stable, we'll have access to near-infinite, clean, carbon-free energy. Imagine a world where electricity is cheap, abundant, and everywhere, from remote villages to megacities. Fusion power will be one of the greatest breakthroughs in human history. 3. AI medical sensors, diagnosing you before you're sick. The future of healthcare is predictive, personalized, and powered by artificial intelligence. AI medical sensors, woven into watches, clothing, earbuds, even bathroom mirrors, will constantly scan your body. They'll analyze your blood oxygen, micro vibrations in your voice, skin tone changes, breathing rhythms, and heart patterns to detect illness days or even weeks before symptoms appear. Companies like Apple, Google, and startups like Whoop are already developing biosensing wearables that track inflammation, stress hormones, and irregular heart activity in real time. This means no more late diagnoses, no more guessing, no more waiting. Your AI guardian will warn you before danger strikes. Preventive healthcare will become the new standard. 4. Hyperloop transit, 700 miles per hour travel inside vacuum tubes. Traveling between major cities in minutes instead of hours will soon be possible thanks to Hyperloop systems. Hyperloop pods travel inside vacuum-sealed tubes with almost zero friction, reaching speeds of 600 to 750 miles per hour. Imagine New York to DC in 20 minutes, Los Angeles to San Francisco in 35, Dubai to Abu Dhabi in 12 minutes. India is building a Mumbai to Pune Hyperloop route. Europe is planning Amsterdam to Paris. The technology is real, and test tracks are already operational. Hyperloops will make short-haul flights almost obsolete and completely redefine global mobility. 5. Smart contact lenses, Augmented reality in your eyes. Augmented reality glasses are just the warm-up. The real future is AR contact lenses. Tiny, smart lenses that overlay digital information directly onto your vision. You'll see maps, translation subtitles, health stats, product info, location tags, and step-by-step instructions, all floating in your field of view. Mojo Vision and Samsung are already prototyping smart lenses with micro-LED displays thinner than a human hair. For surgeons, engineers, pilots, firefighters, and everyday users, this will be like giving the human eye a software upgrade. 6. 3D printed organs. Ending the organ shortage crisis. Every year, thousands die waiting for organ transplants. But in the future, hospitals will print new organs using patient-specific cells. We already print skin, cartilage, and mini hearts. Full-size kidneys, livers, and hearts are next. Researchers at Wake Forest Institute and biotech firms like Organovo are using bioprinters that layer living cells into functional tissue. Human trials are expected within the next decade. This will eliminate rejection risks and organ shortages and extend human life significantly. Organ printing is one of the most life-saving technologies humanity will ever create. 7. Autonomous delivery robots and drones. Automation is coming to your doorstep. Literally, delivery robots and drones will transport groceries, medicine, packages, and food faster and cheaper than human couriers. Amazon, Starship Technologies, and Zipline are already deploying thousands of autonomous units in cities across the US, UK, and Africa. Smart cities will use thousands of autonomous delivery units operating 24/7, reducing traffic, lowering emissions, and making logistics hyper-efficient. The world of on-demand delivery is about to multiply in speed. 8. AI-generated virtual worlds, living inside digital realities. Artificial intelligence will soon create entire worlds in real time. These AI-generated universes will be used for education, gaming, entertainment, working, and tourism. Want to train as a surgeon? Want to visit ancient Rome? Want to explore Mars? AI will generate fully realistic, responsive simulations with physics, weather, characters, and environments as detailed as real life. NVIDIA's Omniverse and Meta's Metaverse platforms are already building the infrastructure. The next generation will feel indistinguishable from reality. The digital and physical worlds will merge like never before. 9. Brain-computer interfaces, BCI. Imagine controlling computers, smartphones, and machines, using nothing but your thoughts. Brain-computer interfaces read signals from the brain and convert them into digital commands. Neuralink, Synchron, and Kernel are racing to perfect this technology. Early patients have already typed messages and controlled cursors using only brain signals. This will help paralyzed individuals move robotic limbs, enable people to type without hands, and eventually, let humans access knowledge the same way we access internet search today. BCIS could one day create a world where information flows directly between mind and machine. 10. Self-healing materials. Buildings, bridges, roads, and vehicles will soon be built from materials that automatically repair themselves. Concrete infused with bacteria can fill cracks. Polymers can rebond when torn. Nanomaterials can restore structural strength when damaged. Universities like TU Delft and MIT are testing self-healing concrete on highways and runways. The material wakes up when cracks form and seals them using embedded capsules. These materials will give us infrastructure that lasts centuries, saving billions in repairs and dramatically increasing safety. 11. Vertical farming megatowers. The farms of tomorrow will reach toward the sky. Vertical farming towers grow crops indoors using LED lighting, hydroponics, and controlled environments. These farms use 95% less water, require no pesticides, and produce food year-round. Aero farms, Plenty, and Infarm are already operating multi-story farms in New York, San Francisco, and Singapore, growing lettuce, herbs, and strawberries faster than traditional farms. As cities expand and farmland declines, vertical farms will become essential for global food security and fresh local produce. 12. Carbon capture machines, reversing climate change. Climate change is one of humanity's greatest challenges, but future inventions may reverse the damage. Large-scale carbon capture machines will pull CO2 directly from the atmosphere and store it underground or convert it into useful products like fuel, bricks, and building material. Climeworks in Iceland is operating the world's largest direct air capture plant, removing thousands of tons of CO2 annually. Scaling this globally could reshape our climate future. This technology could help stabilize the climate and restore the planet's ecosystems. 13. AI personal companions, smarter than any smartphone. Forget apps, screens, and menus. The personal AI of the future will be a conversational, proactive companion that understands you better than any device ever could. It will help you learn, work, plan, create, shop, socialize, and even make decisions. This AI won't just respond, it will anticipate. It will remind you of things you forgot, suggest creative ideas, manage your schedule, and adapt to your personality over time. This AI will become your daily assistant, coach, tutor, and organizer, all in one. Personalized AI will be the next major digital revolution. 14. Holographic telepresence, ultra-realistic 3D communication. Video calls are primitive compared to what's coming next. Holographic telepresence will allow people to appear in your home or office as full 3D holograms, making remote communication feel real and physical. Microsoft HoloLens, Looking Glass, and AR-HT Media are already offering early hologram solutions for conferences and performances. Meetings, presentations, customer support, education, and entertainment will all move into the world of holograms. 15. Smart autonomous cities, cities that think. The final invention is not a device, it's the future of civilization itself. Smart autonomous cities will use AI to optimize transportation, power grids, emergency response, water flow, lighting, waste processing, and environmental monitoring, all automatically. Singapore, Barcelona, and Dubai are pioneering smart city infrastructure with AI traffic systems, sensor-equipped streets, and real-time resource management. These cities will reduce crime, eliminate traffic congestion, save massive amounts of energy, and become clean, efficient, and sustainable centers of human life. Smart cities will be the ultimate expression of all future technologies working together. These 15 inventions aren't science fiction. They're the technologies that will shape the next century of human progress. From quantum internet to fusion power, from AI medical sensors to printed organs, from Hyperloop systems to self-healing cities, the future is accelerating faster than anyone realizes. But now I want to hear from you. Which invention are you most excited for? And which one do you think will arrive first? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read everyone. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like the video to support the channel, subscribe for more deep dive tech content, turn on notifications so you never miss our next upload. Thanks for watching Innovate Tech. The future is coming faster than you think, and together we'll be ready for it.